Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's caught our attention for its unique features and capabilities, the California Air Tools 20020 Ultra Quiet 20-gallon air compressor. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what sets the California Air Tools 20020 apart from other air compressors on the market. This impressive unit is designed with a powerful 2.0 horsepower motor that operates at a notably low 1,680 revolutions per minute. What does this mean for you? It translates to less noise and wear, making this air compressor a durable choice for both professional and home use. The noise level is just 70 dB, which is exceptionally quiet for an air compressor, making it suitable for noise-sensitive environments, such as homes, workshops, and job sites where you need to keep noise to a minimum. One of the standout features of this compressor is its oil-free dual-piston pump. This design not only ensures low maintenance but also provides exceptional performance and longevity. With a life cycle of over 3,000 hours, the oil-free pump is built to last, and it also guarantees cleaner air, which is a significant benefit for anyone working with tools or equipment that require a clean air supply. The California Air Tools 20020 boasts a 20-gallon steel tank capacity, allowing for a significant amount of compressed air storage. With a CFM rating of 6.40 at 40 psi and 5.30 at 90 psi, it can easily handle a variety of tasks, from powering pneumatic tools to inflating tires, and everything in between. The low amp draw of just 14 amps means it can be conveniently plugged into standard 110V outlets without the risk of tripping breakers. Now, let's talk about portability. This compressor is designed with heavy-duty wheels, making it easy to move around your garage, shop, or job site. Weighing in at 114 pounds, it's still manageable, and the no-flat wheels mean you won't have to worry about any unexpected punctures while on the go. So, who is this air compressor suitable for? If you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or even a hobbyist who requires reliable air power without the noise, this model is an excellent choice. It's perfect for tasks like spray painting, powering air tools, or even running airbrushes. The applications are truly vast, catering to both light and heavy-duty tasks alike. In practical use, you can expect this compressor to excel in various settings. For instance, if you're working on a home renovation project, the quiet operation allows you to work without disturbing the neighbors. If you operate a small business that requires frequent air tool use, the durability and low maintenance of this compressor make it an economical choice. And for those looking to inflate tires or sports equipment, the 20-gallon tank means you won't be running out of air anytime soon. The California Air Tools 20020 is a versatile, powerful, and quiet air compressor that meets the demands of a wide range of users. Whether you're a professional or a home user, this compressor offers the reliability and performance you need without the noise and hassle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.